And what's up, guys? This is going to be a sick week of videos.
Yep.
Today is vlog day 1 of Tail of the Dragon trip.
Yep. Got the blackwing over here.
Got the Subi, got the Super right over there. And then
Supra.
of course,
And we got the Zeal 1 elite. It's about to be a dope trip.
facts. So we're about like 7 hours away. So we'll just keep on making videos, some little transition shots and stuff. But right now we're getting cast at infamous Costco.
Yeah, Costco gas.
How much price?
$3.59 or $3.55 for premium. Yeah, you're never gonna get that ever again.
Yeah, so next time we'll see ya is on another break, I guess.
Yeah, when we get food or gas
I'm
or
gonna
something.
take a piss break though, so yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're in the most southern part of Virginia. We drove around 3 hours-ish.
Yep.
And unfortunately, we have some bad news. Some unfortunate events occurred on the highway.
Yep. Well, we were
And-
kind of cooking within the speed limit. A piece of wood kind of like flew out from underneath my car, and we got a little bit of lip damage right there.
Luckily, it's not damaging any structural integrity of the lip, but
Yeah.
it sucks because we just installed it like 4 days ago.
Yep. But either way, we had somebody come up to us and ask about our cars, and you already know our cars are sick, so
Yeah.
not gonna let it get us down too much. But I guess it's not my car.
At least it didn't hit like the actual car.
Yeah, very.
That
facts.
would have been terrible.
And it won't fly off.
If anything, good karma's coming your way for saving my ass, so.
Hopefully.
Cheers. Hey, yo, check that out.
Oh, that is nice. Hey, he's a baby in the back.
Oh, nice. I guess we'll see you guys not in the next one, but.
And what is up, guys? Day 2 of Tail of the Dragon trip, and look at this view.
Check it out. We got the Airbnb out here. I don't know if you can see, but there's a mountain range right there behind all that.
As Stradman would say, views on freaking views.
I'm gonna darken it a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see it.
Yeah,
That's some
buddy.
good stuff. And as you can see, got the Cadillac here warming up. WRX, ZLE, and the Supra.
So guys, we're gonna be going to the tail right now. We're in Robbinsville, North Carolina, about a 40-minute trip. But yeah, we're gonna hit the tail and then we'll see you guys there because that's gonna be the trip.
Yep. Our driveway was like half a mile of just straight up gravel,
Oh,
like
yeah.
way worse than what that is. But I don't know. It's worth it, I guess, because we got a good spot.
Yeah, but that's
to
why
be careful.
I'm grateful to have that.
Yeah, man's feeling real happy about his WRX right about now. My summer tires are not about this life. But we're about to go on some back roads just to get out of here. But yeah, we will catch you when we're actually bowling and stuff. And we are now here at the front of the Tail of the Dragon. I guess you could call it the
here.
head of the dragon. No?
The head of the dragon, and it's also called Deal's Gap.
Yes, I'm gonna flip it around real quick, make it a little darker on the
Yes.
thing. There we go. And so yeah, down there you can see the Deal's Gap sign. We got a bunch of motorcycles, and then up here we got the Works, the Supra, the Caddy, and
Zilla.
the Zilla. Yeah, just the small roads that we drove up here were so freaking good.
They're so fire.
But now that I can like smell Borgatry over there, I'm trying to like bust them in my mouth
Yeah,
here.
low key. Yeah, so now we're gonna go show you guys the Tree of Shame. That's where like the people who crash and are bad drivers go.
Yeah.
But yeah, Borgatron's over there, so that's
Yeah,
where
we'll catch you over there. All right, we out here at the Tree of Shame. As you can see, we got these very interesting stickers right here.
It seems like it's a lot of motorcyclists.
Yeah, a lot of motorcyclists.
This is like Motorcycle Central.
Check it out. It goes all the way up. No one to stop me.
It goes all the way around here too, guys.
Yeah, we got some 21. I wonder how often they remove the old stuff, but up there is a gift shop up there. Apparently they sell DOT helmets. Ooh, with the 360 camera. Alrighty. Well, we might go inside and grab some food service now, so maybe we'll catch you in there.
Food service. Now, guys, the Borgatron time.
Dragon's Den entrance. It's open. Ooh, thank you. It's kind of dark in here, but check it out. All these shirts up here that have been signed by various people. We got this whole thing here, and then over there, it's a patch of many police people, like different police badges.
Yeah.
All right, we out here at the gas station at the tail, and as you might expect, it's some expensive ass gas. S-Gas. This man out here in his BMW Supra, having to fill up oil in his B58.
That's why I made sure to come prepared.
Thing be eating oil apparently. It's feeding the B58 out
A
here.
little taste of freedom for your bud.
Yeah, I wanna drink some of that. Alright, got my car parked up here in front of the Dragon. Then everyone else over here. We at this little shop here. A lot of people have gone and started bulling already, and we have not yet bulled the Dragon, but we're getting all this like photo stuff out of the way so we can just cook later. We just did our first run of the tail. This was just a kind of a warm-up and to get everyone used to it. And now we're parked at the bottom here. Got the lineup. And we got Nicholas out here flying the drone. Where's it at? Oh yeah, it's all the way up there. So we're getting some drone shots. Very nice. Man. We got some donuts in here as well. We'll maybe insert those videos here because we didn't take them with the DSLR. I think it's cooking up into the distance.
Yo, do a water shot. Now I know why the Russians are so scared of that.
Well, you can like barely see it.
But can you get close to the water? No way.
I low-key lost it.
He's got it. Like the water trailing shit.
This thing is cooking.
Ready? Yeah.
0 to 60. Yeah, it's hard to keep track on the camera. This is the full lineup from the front here. Taking some photos.
The backside here looks nice.
And
Yeah?
look at all that perfect scenery.
After a much needed break, maybe a little too long of a break, I don't really know. But we got the 360 cam right here. Got the setup there. We got the mic. Oh, we got the mic attached right there. So yeah, we're about to go bulling and cruising.
Yes.
Bomba clot!
Alright guys, so we out here at the tail. As you can see, it's absolutely pouring rain.
Look at this. Pan down to this, guys. Ready? Ready? Oh my god. Now my shoe's wet, guys. See what I do for the channel?
Yeah, so basically we tried to get one last run, and as it always goes, the last run wasn't that good. Yeah. Check it out. There's like water all over the ground. It's pouring down. Yeah, it's literally flooding. Man with the WX is real happy right about now because his car is now like the best car here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
But yeah, how often do you come to the tail and you're like the only one here? Yeah, we'll see you guys back at our house, but not really, because that'd be
Yep.
weird.
See ya. There.